Thank you, Shazib, and thank you, Tazeen. Good morning to everyone, distinguished guests, colleagues, friends, and delegates. It's really a pleasure for me to welcome you to the 2021 Social Business Youth Summit. This summit, the SBYS, has really become a symbol of hope, sustainability, and collective progress, and driven entirely by young people, young men and women, for the past 7 years. And this year's gathering represents something even larger, the commitment by the organizers to work towards creating a world of three zeros. All of you are familiar with this call to action from Professor Yunus, that we have to build a world of zero wealth concentration for zero poverty, zero unemployment, and zero net carbon emissions. Against the backdrop of a global crisis that has impeded every aspect of our lives, this call becomes more urgent than ever. But we have come a long way this year, and this summit represents the resilience our resilience as a locally rooted and globally connected community, our unyielding courage in the face of adversity, and our spirit of imagining a new reality. When we think of great change, we often assume that the only way towards it is through some grand and complex solution. It's not. Your one small step, if taken with commitment and determination, can indeed lead towards creating the next Grameen Bank and change the lives of millions. That's what this conference is about, finding that one idea that ignites us and sets us in the direction of deep and lasting change. If we do not imagine it, it will not happen. That's another quote from Professor Yunus. Professor Yunus's groundbreaking idea of social business has facilitated remarkable change ever since its inception. What started in Bangladesh with $27 in one small village has today inspired thousands of people around the world to start their own social businesses, creating one of the largest global movements for social change, and one that is based on tapping the creativity, energy, and innovation that is held within each one of us. Great change does not take place in a vacuum. A crisis allows us to rethink and rebuild, as Professor Yunus points out. At great human, social, and economic cost, the pandemic exposed the weaknesses of our economic system, our health system. So it's a high time that we go back to the drawing board to consider whether these systems as they exist still serve us well. We must use this opportunity to build the post-COVID world, doing away with the things that did not work, that did not make things better, in some cases made things worse. We don't always get that chance to rebuild. This pandemic has given us that chance, and that's encapsulated in the topic and the rubric of this conference, No Going Back. We must imagine things anew with all that we learned during the pandemic about the need for solidarity, working together, caring not just for ourselves, but for the other, realizing that we need to cooperate and not just compete. And in the case of vaccines, learning that until all of us are safe, none of us are safe. This is the time to launch local and global initiative led by today's generation of youth. We are here, those of us from the older social business family, to offer our experience in the social business field and make ourselves useful to you in whatever way we can to help you shape the world you want. Throughout today and tomorrow, you will hear from 30 inspirational, I understand it's 40 inspirational speakers, 17 startup founders and practitioners of the concept. It would have been fantastic to have everyone in person physically, but I know that we have to utilize the limited resources that we have amidst COVID restrictions and spend the days in a hybrid format. I have seen the pictures and I got a glimpse right now of the way that the venue has been set up, and I'm so impressed. This required vision, courage, and innovation by the YY Goshti YY Ventures team, but that is their trademark, that I never expect anything less of them. I'm just sorry that I cannot be there in person, actually, because I'm taking a very close relative of mine for the vaccine today, but I promise that I will be there for the next one. I wish you wonderful learning and networking experience throughout the summit, and I look forward to 2 days of spirited discussion, which will spring new ideas, collaboration, and impact. Look forward to having all of you who are with us in person and joining us virtually to please become part of our journey to make the incremental steps that lead towards the tidal waves of change that are needed and I believe are ultimately inevitable. I wish you a great Youth Summit. Thank you.